Hi, I'm Tracy. I'm a registered acupuncturist and yoga teacher. My family is here in Florida on holidays to play golf. If you're looking for a reset because your body is stiff from playing so many rounds of golf, well, this is for you. I want you to start with your feet hip width distance apart, shoulders stacked on top of the waist, knees right on top of the ankles. Let's go ahead and take our arms all the way up. Breathe in. Breathe out, take your hands to the heart. Inhale, arms up. And then exhale, take your hands down. Okay, we're gonna take the right arm all the way up and stretch the side. Try to keep your sits bones rooted into the chair, softening into the shoulders. Go ahead and look up to the elbow. Breathe in here and then look down to the wrist. Again, breathing in and out. 3 times a charm, breathing in and out. Go ahead, lift up, breathe in, and release. Other side, up and sway. Root those sits bones down into the chair. Nudge that elbow up. Look up to the elbow. Of course, if it hurts the neck, don't do it. But look up, relax the shoulder, look down, look up, breathe in, breathe out. One more time, in and out. Come on back up. And release. We're gonna roll the shoulders out. 5, 4, keep on breathing. 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and take the right arm up and then place it behind you. So what we're doing is we're opening up the shoulder and the hip, and then go ahead and lift up and back down. Other side, lift up, open up the chest and the hip, look back, breathing in and back. Again, in and out with the breath, in and out. Breathe in, breathe out, in and out. Good. Arms up and release. Well done. We're going to do a gentle forward fold here. So touch and release. Breathe in and slide all the way down. Melt. Hang here. As I hang here, sometimes I like to give myself a little wiggle wobble or just melt and just breathe. Good. Now before coming out of this pose, we're going to tighten our belly muscles and press all the way up. Excellent. One more time. Breathing in, lift up. Breathe out. In, and I want you to soften that lower back. Relax the head. Don't forget to breathe here. And then tight belly, come on all the way up. Excellent. Okay, from here, I'd like you to take the legs out. Give yourself a nice little stretch here. Lengthening out the legs. Awesome. Okay, now bending one leg and slightly bending into one knee. I'd like you to lift up the chest and bend forward for a gentle hamstring stretch, okay? We're bending and stretching we're bending at the waist and we're stretching the back of the leg. Now we don't want to overdo it because we don't want to put any weirdness into our sciatica, like our sciatic area, our piriformis. We're just melting forward for 3, 2, 1. Tight belly, press up. And let's extend. Nice little wiggle wobble here with the legs. And then go ahead and plant the other foot down. Soften the knee. Hinge at the waist. Come forward. And rounding the upper back here when you feel that little edge, that little oomph on the back of the leg. For 3, 2, 1. And tight belly, come on all the way up. We tighten our belly so that we don't, we're supporting our lower back. Okay, release the leg here. I want you to go ahead and take the arms all the way up. Stretch. And take your hands to the heart. Let's go ahead and take our arms out in front and then cross our arms. Good. Now, taking your hands here, lifting, the hands are gently pressed on top of the shoulders, lifting your elbows up and down. Pulling the elbows away from the shoulders here and down. Good. Expand the arms and cross the arms the opposite direction. Pulling the elbows away from the body, lifting up and down, up, ooh, and down. Felt like I need to stretch my neck there. Okay, good. Speaking of neck, let's go ahead and turn our head to the right. Breathe. Back to center, turn to the left. Breathe. Come on back to center. Right ear to right shoulder, please. Take your hand on top of the head. Go ahead, release the hand, look down to the hip, take the hand to the back of the head here, melting, breathing. And then release the hand down, turn your head to center, draw the belly in, look up. Let's do the other side. Great, taking the hand on top of the head. We're not pulling or retching, just placing it. Breathing. Good, and then release the hand, look down to the hip, take your hand to the back of the head. Nice little stretch to a different part of the neck. Excellent. And release. Looking back to center, breathe in, come on up. Excellent. Okay, from now, I'd like you to take your arms all the way up. Nice little stretch, open up the chest, kind of like high 10 to the sky, and release. Good. Let's take the chest open for a chest opener here for cow pose, and then exhale, cat. Excellent. Cow and cat. Great. Now coming back into neutral spine, let's widen the stance a little bit more. Okay, we're doing this nice little reset post golf game, so I need to stretch more into the hip and the shoulder. So I want you to come into this nice little bend huddle here. And go ahead and take the left arm all the way up for a nice stretch up to the sky, and then release. Good, other side, stretch up to the sky, and release. When we do this, I want you to focus on opening up the shoulders and opening up the hips. So chest and shoulder up, and release. Good, up, and release, up, and release. Keep on breathing, so breathe in and out, connecting breath with movement, in and out, in and out. We're gonna do one more on each side. Breathe in and out. Last one, in and out. Well done. Draw the belly in, take your hands on top of the thighs, press on up. Now, do you remember our cow and cat? So we're gonna do this little cow pose action and then cat pose as we rotate and move. If you've watched any of my little pre golf videos, some of these videos have this movement in it. I love this because it's so good for your hips. For anybody who wants to shrink their waist too, this kind of helps a bit, especially if you've been eating ice cream. And we're gonna go the other way. And whenever we do this, please, connecting breath with movement. So think of little mini cow pose here and little cats. Good. Inhaling, exhaling, breathing in and out. Okay, excellent. I like to toe heel my feet back in to a more neutral position, knees on top of the ankle. And before we close our practice, because I'm an acupuncturist, I like to do a little bit of tapping or pressing onto some acupressure points that are going to be really beneficial for your post-game practice, so that if you are feeling stiff, this is going to feel great, whether you're doing it right after or the next day. I want you to go ahead and press into gallbladder 21. That's the point at the top of the shoulder. We're going to go ahead and tap here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I'm going to go ahead and tap the whole part of my arm because it feels so good, and on the inside. I'm going to come across the chest and tap on the other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Tap on the outside of the arm and tap on the inside of the arm. Come across. And I'm going to go ahead and press into just below my collarbones, helping myself into my lung capacity here. This is lung 1, lung 2 area. It's really great. Opening up the lung channel. Excellent. And I want you to release and shake out the arms, shake out those wrists. Okay, excellent. Next point here is going to be right underneath your kneecaps, just on the outside of your shin bone on both sides. You're going to go ahead and tap right here. I'm going to stimulate. What I'm doing here is I'm stimulating my digestion, stomach 36, and I'm also in the area of gallbladder 34, which is the command point of all of our muscles and sinews. So I like to consider this a point, it's almost like an ibuprofen point, kind of just, relaxes the body, but also at the same time, because where we're tapping is this whole area is also our digestion. So go ahead and tap here, right below the kneecap, just onto the outside of your shin bone, your tibia. Go ahead, tap, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Now, just for the icing on the cake, I'm just gonna rub up and down my leg. Don't forget to breathe. And done. Well done, everyone. I hope this was a wonderful reset for you. You feel a little bit more loose and limber after your golf game. Please join me in any of my other videos. I'd love to hear from you. Please comment, give me a thumbs up, maybe a subscribe, and enjoy your day. Peace and namaste. And I hope your next golf game has a really low score.